Yeah, hello. We are back once again, live to give you some new, uh, great education. That's what we all about here at Conscientious Capital Insight. We are a top investment educational company, channel through economic advocacy, empowerment, and trade signal service. You know, uh, it's all about you. If you're yet to visit our site, I would advise you to do that, with all urgency. Just visit Conscientious Capital Insights as boldly written, to benefit from the numerous, investment opportunity they're in. So, uh, visit the site, you know, just take action. Today we're going to be talking about some basic trading skills, though not basic, call it intermediate skills, some skills that will be giving you edge to making some great profits in the forex market. So let's get our markup down. We're going to be discussing confluences as I've promised earlier in the last video. So just get your pen and paper as usual to jot down some notes. So we're going to start our markup from, as usual, from the daily time frame uh, to get the most recent high. All right, our price is a little bit far above. Okay. All right, because in the daily time frame, as you saw earlier on, uh, price has already gone far above, any of the previous highs. So we had to check. We need to check the monthly time frame to see where next our price will be heading to. So looking at this candle, this line chart, sorry, our okay. Let me get some basic tools that we'll be needing. Just trying to get some basic tools that we may be needing at the course of our session. All right, we're here. I love to get these my tools, uh, you know, always available. So I wouldn't need to be hovering around the screen, searching for them while I'm supposed to be making progress or moving forward. So we're going to be getting the most recent, the highest high from this time frame. You see, since all of this high is the price are already gone high above all of these highs. So we're going to be keeping our most recent high. This point here is going to be our most recent high. And I told you the higher time frame, I usually love giving it the red color to differentiate it from, you know, other time frames. So um, yeah, then we go get uh, we can get most recent low from the uh, daily uh, chart. Okay, let's see weekly. Okay, let's use this point. Let's use this point so we can be able to have it to have a horizontal visible on the hourly on the daily time frame. And next we get the most recent low here. You know, yeah, it's okay. And we move to the 4 hour time frame, see what we can get. You know, price here has really gone far above, uh, most recent reach. This is a new high. Considering the recent price action. So let's try get some key position from the 4 hour. Let's see from the daily. Now we can get any here. Okay, let's try getting some key position. Or best, I suggest we look for a different pair, GBP, AUD. Let's check this. Yeah, I think this would make more sense. Okay, let's get a new markup. This is a very bit better. Okay, so um, yes, making this most recent high and this most recent low. Yeah, this is good. As you can see, this the most recent low uh, price has mostly rejected this zone. Price has mostly rejected this zone. This is a key point. this here, here, here. So we have a very good key point from this pair. So let's move to the 4-hour time frame. Okay. Let me get this off. Let me get these lines off. Okay, I get it. This is proving stubborn. Why is this proving stubborn? Okay, we have so many of them. Okay, moving down to the 4-hour. I want to be a bit snappy with this. Yeah, we're going to be picking this point. It's a very good point. As we can see, price has rejected this point, and it is served as a support here, support, a resistance here, and resistance here. So you can uh, visibly see how this has been a very uh, vital key point in the 4-hour time frame. So, love to give it a different color. Let's give it, let's make it, okay. Let's get another, yeah. The current position now, it's a very, a good key point as well. Making another, yeah, we have one here. Yeah, I think it's okay for the 4-hour time frame. These are good key points. And let's move finally to the hourly time frame. Let's see what we can get here. Changing the color. Let's give it yellow. Okay. As you can see in the 1-hour time frame, this is a good point, key points. And where else? Okay. I think we have another. We have another here. So next video we're going to be talking about scalping. It's just so you will see the need of you getting as many key points as you can view on the line chart, how effective they will help you when you want to scalp the market. As some of you won't just be saying why all these key points that might not be of importance, but no, they are. Okay, this lastly. All right, let's pop our candles back. Remember, I said we're going to be discussing confluence today. When to take the right trades. But so that like a bush. Let's see. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah, good. Okay. So I love to use the EMA. Let me see this EMA here. EMA 50. My setup for EMA. I love it on 50. Okay. We'll see how the EMA is so important in serving as one of the confluence I use. All right. So I love to always make my entries in either 5 or 15 minutes. Let's go to 5-minute time frame. Okay. All right. So here we are. Here we are. And we're going to be discussing confluences, and some of the basic major confluences I want us to look into. Let's see. Okay, let me use skip that later. When number one confluence, we are going to be looking at the key zone. Okay. Key zone. 2, the 50 EMA. The 50 EMA. 3, the trend. Sorry. The trend. 4, price action candle. And 5, let me see. To remember any other confluence. Any other confluence? I know we have so many confluence. Confluences depend on but depends on the coach. I have so many confluences, and but let's leave it at 4. When I get to remember more at the course of session, I will add them up. So these are some of the key confluences we're going to be looking at. The key zone, the 50 EMA, the trend, and the price action. The price action candle. Why do we really need this? These are what will give us confirmation before we take any trades. You at least need to let these three at least 3 confluences out of these 4 play up before you get into the markets. At least I said 3. When this 3 key confluences, that's at the minimum, go confirm. Once 3 of these confluences are confirmed, you are good to go to take your trades. So let's see if this is a good time for us to take a trade. Okay, looking at the current time frame, 5 minute time frame. Um, uh, you know, whenever you want to trade, I just want you to listen to this very, very attentively. Just consider the direction a stream or a river flows. Trading is just like that. Trading is just like that. Sorry, about coming. Need to post this and need to check something. All right, check something. Yeah, sorry about that. I have something on the gas. You know, sorry about that. I have something cooking on the gas. Needed to check it. That's the life of a hustler. So, um, looking at the 5 minute time frame, you will get to see that this has really, we really have a minimum of three confirmations. This is a good time to take a trade, a very good time. I'm going to tell you, okay, let's get our trend line. Let's get our trend line. I usually take my trend line from the 1 hour time frame. I go week to week, week to week. Okay. So, the trend line has given us a clear uh, a picture that the market is on an uptrend. The market is on an uptrend. The recent, the current, trend is uptrend, as you can see clearly suggested by our trend line, or confirm, if I may say. Sorry, using the word. Uh, our trend line has given us a direction of the market, which is we are an uptrend. We are on an uptrend currently. So, and this is one confirmation. The trend, we are able to see. As I was earlier saying, you when you consider the direction the river flows, if you are let's assume you're swimming in a river, when you're going against the flow of the water, you will find it so difficult, so challenging, finding your way through. But when you go in the direction of the flow of the river, it's become less stressful for you. You just flow with the waters. So that is one very good reason why you should really obey the trend. You should obey the trend whenever you are taking a trade. You should obey the trend. All right. I hope you get that. So one of confluence is confirmed. The trend is an uptrend. Number three is confirmed. So going back to our 5 minute time frame, um, uh, we okay. Where is confluence? I need to be viewing them as we speak. Yeah, they want them. Yeah. Ah, right? I know how to get here. Good, good. All right. I need one more tool. The rectangle. Where are you? Need to mark my zone. Yeah, have it here. So we need to mark this zone. Our zone is just all these are zones just by the support or resistance is our zone. So you know, and looking at the confluence, we can't really looking at the trend. I mean to say, we can't take any since we are not scalping. If we are scalping, it's a different case. So, but in this case, we would never take any bearish trade. We're never going to take a sell trade. Yeah. Based on this system, every trade we're going to take must be a buy order, and an instant execution. So we're never going to go for a sell order. No, just like I've given you instances with the flow of the river. So you know, if you look at the previous prices here, the prices have really respected this trend, this zone. Price action have really respected these zones. As you can see, multiple rejection by the zone. So you should expect a rejection either upward the trend to continue upward, or if our zone is broken, then definitely the trend is definitely going to change. The trend is definitely going to change. So, but in this case, we're still within uh, the setup. We're still within our confluence. So we just as we proceed, we're going to see how price is going to behave. So as I said, we have gotten the trend, and it's an uptrend. One of our confluences is satisfied. Secondly, when the price, second, the looking at the EMA, you don't buy against the trade. That's the number 3 on our confluence. You never go into a market against the trend. If you're not scalping, never go against the trend, the direction of the price movements. Secondly, only and always buy when the price is above the 50 EMA. This is the second confluence I'm telling you now, though they are not in order of arrangement. But looking at the EMA now, this is number 2 our confluences. You never buy when the price is below the 50 EMA. You only buy when price is above the 50 EMA, just like it is currently. Thirdly, you wait for rejection on your zone. Wait for price to be rejected on your zone to give you confirmation. Thirdly, and fourthly, price action. So you look at the what the candlestick is saying, what the candles are saying. That's what you should look at. You know, once all these 3 out of these 4 are confirmed, then you are good to take your trade. You are absolutely good and set to take your trade. So, and looking at this, as you can see, the price has just rejected the zone, and the price action is giving us an engulfing candle. It has engulfed. So if it closes at this very nature, then it's a very good confirmation for a buy signal. It's a confirmation for a buy signal. Hope you get what I'm talking about. So please get this and get this is money. This is money we are talking about. You don't just put your money if you cannot go by the rules. These are the rules. The confluences, you make sure that at least 3 of the confluences are satisfied before you take a trade. So I said I'm going to make this video brief, and next we're going to be talking about types of trading. We're probably gonna probably gonna release a video on scalping soon, you know, and using other indicators to confirm your trades. Yes, but I believe with this video you have gotten very good education and enough for you as a beginner or intermediate trader to boost your knowledge and understand, because so many people don't really, you know, they only go by the candles. You know, most times the price action candle is not always correct. It's not always 100% correct. You know, it's not, I can't even say it's 70. So coupled with all these confluences, it gives you more confirmation of taking your trades. You know, you shouldn't take your trades in fear. No, you should be confident of what you're doing. That's why you have to wait patiently for all these confluences to be confirmed before taking any trade. So this we have been only talking about technical analysis. As you know, we have technical analysis and fundamental analysis, which we use the news and you know to which the news also, when the news determine the movement of the forex trade market, you know, is called the fundamental analysis. But this what we're doing now is the technical analysis. We are all focused on all these tools that we have in our indicators, you know, studying the candles, you know, to take our trades, you know, and I hope you've gotten enough value from this video, and we always going to give you more value in subsequent videos. You know, just stay put, keep on following conscientious capital insights. You're really going to get far more than what you invest on our site. We are committed and dedicated to seeing you succeed. That is what we are here for. We are more concerned in making impact over profits. We are more concerned in getting you financially free. That's our focus. Yes, economic advocacy. That is what we are called to do. And we wish you the best. See you next time.